Alright, we're going to do a little training by watching somebody else. We're going to try and get Annie to go into the teepee blind here, or the little duck blind. Axel's pretty well got it. Axel, kennel. Kennel. You know what I mean? Kennel. Okay, maybe I got to go on this end. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Kennel. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Alright, you waiting for the reward? Back up. Back up. Sit. Axel, what you got? That's the reward. Okay, let's see if Annie can get this. If I can do this one-handed. Come on, Annie, heel. Heel. Okay. Matter. Come on, kennel. Kennel. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Uh-oh, she almost did it. Here. Kennel. Sit. Good girl. Sit. It's good girl, Annie. Good girl. Annie, what you got? We're going to teach them to stay in this duck blind. It sure helps when you got somebody that already knows how to do it. That right, Annie? Heel. I think Annie's starting to catch on a little bit. She likes she knows she gets the reward. It's a nice big softball if she gets in there and kennels. You'll try it again? Come on, kennel. Kennel. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Oh, no, you got to go lay down. Come here. Heel. Heel. Kennel. Hey, kennel. No. Well, sometimes they just don't get it. You got to show them what to do. Annie, heel. Kennel. No. Kennel. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. What you got? What you got?